Hey, No-Handed Bandit here. So first of all, I want to thank all those that have been sharing and subscribing from my Facebook page. I ran a campaign on Facebook to get some of my Facebook followers to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm trying to get my partner status back from YouTube, and so I need those subscriptions. Thank you for those that have been subscribed the whole time and have been watching videos. That takes about 4,000 hours of viewing per year and 1,000 subscribers. And I have the subscribers, I just don't have the minutes, which means I need to make more videos, get more people to subscribe. The subject of this month is brought to you by a question from Henry Barnaby. I don't know if I said your last name right, but Henry, thank you for sending in that question. He asked that question in a group for bilateral amputees. So we're going to talk about screwdriving. We're going to talk about using a screwdriver. Okay? Not scuba diving, screwdriving. Screwdriving. That's driving a screw with a screwdriver. So before I do that, I've got to go do something. I have a special appointment with Spinda and the gang. There is one thing that I need to do after the scout camp, and you see I'm putting on the Raiders cap. It means I need to raid the new raid boss. Okay, I gotta go. Alright, today is the day the new raid boss comes out. It is Reggie Steele. Excellent throw. Yes. And my goal is to upload a video a week. It might be Pokemon related many times, but it could be activities of daily living related also. There's a couple ways to turn a screwdriver. I'll go over the ways that I've discovered, and then also I'm unboxing this new stool, which might have some screws in it. So here we go with the unboxing. When you're unboxing things, I like to use a box cutter, and what I do is I'm gonna hold it right there, and my bottom finger is the one that doesn't move, the top finger is the one that moves. Sometimes it's good to grab it and put the butt of this knife right in there where that crack is, and then you have a lot of support. So here we go, unboxing this fantastic stool from Costco for $40. Needed a new chair, also needed a new computer. The computer is just went kaput. And always cut away from your body. There's a joke I learned about safety. The joke is that there is no jokes in safety. It's safety first, second, third, and fourth, children. Alright, so I'll put this back down. Open this up here. Got the base here. cut this thing off again, holding it like this. Sometimes you can hold it with two hands, two hooks. The instructions. So far, I got it right. Alright. So this thing has 4 screws. 2 long ones and 2 short ones. And the first time I had to screw a screw, the first time I had to turn a screw was when I was getting the hair out of the bathtub track, and I started out with just a screwdriver and just doing it the old-fashioned way, where you let go every time and turn it. So that's the first way I'm going to show you. Get your screw lined up. There it is. First way, just like this, you're gonna hold the screwdriver sort of like the knife. You want your fingers on the sides, and the back, sometimes it depends on the screwdriver, can go in the butt of the screwdriver. And this has a magnetic tip, so sometimes that makes it a little difficult, but and you're just going to turn, take it out, turn again. So now I got it started. The second way is this. You can get a screwdriver that has a ratchet. So I have righty tighty, lefty loosey, and now I don't need to release. I can just, well, I have to do it until it gets tight, but so I'll see how I'm not releasing, just using the ratchet on this screwdriver. I'm putting pressure with my knee so that I don't have to pull it up, and it has. So this method only works when the screw is tight enough to not turn backwards. My third method is I take off my hooks and let them hang. And then I use this screwdriver like this. Line it up. And I'm spinning with this spinning action here. And I'm rolling it back on my arms. As you can see, those ways are a little bit difficult. So the other way is I can actually get a tiny ratchet. I'm gonna take this tip from this screwdriver, and then I put this little ratchet to this little tiny ratchet. You could use a big ratchet or a small one. There. Make sure it's on tighten, and then I'm gonna hold down with this guy. So this one you can hold it down with your stump, tighten like that. It's a really good method that way. Next method is an impact wrench. This is my favorite method because it's the easiest. So what I do is I hold the heel inside there like that, and I make sure it's on tighten. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Take this screw. Then get in there. So yeah, that's the preferred method, using one of these impact wrenches. Much quicker. The only problem is you don't want to get it in the wrong way or cross thread it. So I'll pull that one out because it looks like it's cross threaded. And I'm gonna switch screw over here. Push it in a little ways. There you go. Last screw. Yeah. Line it up straight. It's cross-threaded. Nope. Boom. Those are several ways you can screw something. This chair simply is, this chair is simple to assemble. Yeah, I just gotta set this top on, and I got my new editing chair in my new editing station. Awesome. Yeah. Okay. New videos coming soon. Subscribe, comment, like, or even dislike, and let me know what you want to see. I'm working on one on changing your own rubber bands. I'm also working on a Mewtwo video. And thanks for watching. Yeah.